Okay, today we'll be modifying the Cosco model number 12-222PBG6C, which is basically the Cosco shifter. As you can see, we'll be removing the wheels and then upgrading them with rubber caster wheels. As you can see, 1142 from Home Depot. Okay, so the tools you'll basically need are just two wrenches. My personal favorite, the Knipex, but you can use any wrenches. You'll need one to grab this part and one to turn the nut. Okay, so this is the first time I'm ever doing this. So basically, I'm gonna be changing the wheels now. So right here, see how the wheel moves like that? Basically, we need to hold this part and keep it from spinning. So in order to do that, you need to grip the wheel. Oh, that's tightening the wrong ways. And there we go. It is loosening. Still too tight. And there you have it. Loose. See how cheap and plasticky these wheels are? Cheap. So crappy, so noisy too when you're driving things around. Now we're switching this for this. Rubber, silent like a ninja. So basically keep the nut and washer that you just removed from this wheel and will be, hopefully it's the same size. Looks like it could work. Maybe this one looks a little bit thinner, but let's give it a try. Put the wheel in. The washer and this nut blue part is on the outside, so bam and bam. Oh, it's a good fit. So the same thing applies. You grip the top, and then tighten. Bam, look at that. Nice and modified. Now off to the second one. Bam. Take this off. The hardware was purchased at Home Depot. You can basically get it wherever it's cheap. It's basically a 3-inch wheel threaded for $11.42, but Lowe's sometimes has it for $8, whatever's cheaper. This one had brakes. I was already at the store, so I just purchased it. So if yours ever breaks or fails, or you just don't like the noisy wheels, this is an easy upgrade. See, look at that. Washer, nut, the blue part goes on the outside. So bam, like this. Take out the old one. Peel this crap off. Slide it back in. Washer, nut, tighten by hand till you can't tighten it anymore, and channel lock at the top, and wrench at the bottom, and tighten until it's very tight. And there you have it. Let's check it out. move back. Check it out, and let's see. Let's see. Hold open. How do you do this again? I forgot. Oh yeah, you just open this. Ugh. Fold it out. And there you have it. Back in action. The next change would possibly be trying to change these wheels, but they're fine for now. They're also rubber, so it's way better. As you can see, nice and easy. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell on top right corner. We'll see you again the next time. Peace out.